Welcome to Neurology News Network. I'm Matt Hoffman.
And I'm Jenna Pasco. Let's get into the news from this week. Zilucoplan has shown positive top-line results in a phase 2 clinical trial evaluating the therapy for treatment of generalized Myasthenia gravis, according to manufacturer Raw Pharmaceuticals. Compared to placebo at 12 weeks, the 0.3 milligram per kilogram dose of the therapy achieved a mean reduction from baseline of 6 points in the QMG score and 3.4 points in the MG-ADL score. Additionally, no patients required rescue therapy when treated with the 0.3 milligram per kilogram dose of Zilucoplan. Comparatively, rescue therapy of the intravenous immunoglobulin or plasma exchange was necessary for 20% of those in the placebo arm and 7% in the 0.1 milligram per kilogram arm.
Positive outcomes have been reported in Axsome Therapeutic's interim analysis of its phase 2-3 trial of AXS-05, the company's investigational agent for agitation associated with Alzheimer's disease. After an IDMC conducted its unblinded, pre-specified interim analysis for futility of the ADVANCE-1 trial, it found that the therapy has shown enough to continue with the exploration of its safety and efficacy. This first interim analysis was performed on approximately 30% of the target number of subjects, simply to assess futility. The second interim analysis is anticipated by Axsome to be performed on approximately 60% of the target number of subjects, and that will assess efficacy.
This week, NeurologyLive's newest peer exchange titled Chronic Migraine, New Paradigms in Management has premiered. Featuring migraine experts such as Steven Silberstein, Peter Goadsby, Stuart Tepper, Jessica Alani, and David Dodick, the series will provide peer-to-peer dialogue and their authoritative insights, opinions, and perspectives on important issues facing today's healthcare professionals treating chronic migraine. Let's take a look.
Hello, and thank you for joining us. In this Neurology Live peer exchange discussion, I am joined by a panel of my colleagues, all experts in the field of headache medicine.
And then if you contrast that with the GWAS findings, they point to such a variety of targets.
If you dig deep enough, you'll find that there are people in the family who suffered from sick headaches or who complained of headaches but didn't necessarily receive a formal diagnosis.
Which is interesting because I always thought height was related to your parents, and it just makes exactly like migraine. Multiple factors contribute to one thing.
It's extraordinary how much progress we made in the narrow area of hemiplegic migraine.
It's important for neurologists in general to be aware that these people are not necessarily depressed or anxious because they have migraine, but there's a shared, perhaps underlying genetic risk that comes, that's responsible for the sort of comorbid relationship between these diseases.
For more direct access to expert insight, head to neurologylive.com. This has been Neurology News Network. Thanks for watching.